Here at SACON, we specialize in manufacturing the large water heaters. Come here, let's see. This is the 2 coil water tank. Here is the 1, here is the 2. This tank, we also have a clean out hole here. Now let's see, we have the electrical big water heater. This is electrical. The heating element is here. And you can see our coils here. The heart of the water heater is the inner tank, which is made from the steel plate. Now I'm going to take you to our sharing workshop to show you how it all begins. This is our plate sharing workshop. As you can see, we have multiple steel coils here. We have the coil for the inner tank, and we have the coils for the case. Here, we load the steel coils into this heavy-duty sharing machine, and it cuts into precise dimensions we need for production.